guess I'm just a play date to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Taylor and Chiara. So today we're gonna open some enchantimals. Okay. Oh, I'm scared, you know. Open. Oh, sorry. Oh, you need the scissors. What do you need? Oh no. Wait. Oh, this is dangerous. Yeah, this is really dangerous. Oh! Oh, you don't need it. You don't need it.
It's easy.
No, I can do it.
See, you need it.
Yeah. Sorry, guys. To open the enchantimals.
Oh my god!
I was like, oh, she's so cute.
Beauty.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hang out with this every day, guys.
Cut.
Cut. And please don't cut her hair right
Over there. Cut in her
shoulder.
yes, shoulder or her. It's kind of neck, not just shoulder.
Yeah, sorry.
Yes, cut and cut. Cut this back here, over here.
Oh, she's so soft, Susie. You have to try it. Oh, the cute little thingy. I like him. Oh, she got some. Oh, look at her boots, guys. The boots really cool.
You done? Is this done?
No.
Oh. Over here.
It's behind her skirt and one more.
Oh, over there. I don't see it. I already cut it.
Oh!
I know. We can roll.
Oh, I'm scared of that thing.
What? Oh. What is this? Oh. In here. Wait. Her here.
Her hair's kind of messy. Oh, now we just need the pad to get off.